Hey there, radicals! Ever wonder why you may need to avoid dairy? Today, we're going to explore that very question. Milk, cheese, yogurt, ice cream. These are staples in many of our diets. We've been told they're essential for our health, providing vital nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. But what if there's more to the story? What if these dairy delights aren't as delightful as we've been led to believe? Imagine, for a moment, a world where dairy isn't a dietary darling but a potential culprit in a host of health issues. It's a shift in perspective, certainly, but one that's grounded in research, scientific evidence, and the experiences of countless individuals. We're here to open your minds, share another perspective about dairy, and to encourage a broader conversation about it. One that goes beyond the conventional wisdom and delves into the potential risks and drawbacks. Stay tuned as we delve into solid reasons to avoid dairy. Did you know that cow's milk is essentially baby calf growth fluid? That's right. According to medical doctor and vegan health educator Michael Claper, the primary purpose of cow's milk is to facilitate the rapid growth of a 65-pound calf into a 400-pound cow. Everything in it, from the hormones and lipids to the proteins, sodium, and insulin-like growth factor, IGF, is designed to significantly increase the size of that calf. When we humans consume cow's milk, whether it's poured over our cereal, clotted into yogurt, transformed into cheese, or frozen into ice cream, we are introducing these growth-promoting substances into our bodies. These elements, originally intended to boost calf growth, can have negative impacts on our bodies. They may stimulate our tissues in ways we don't need or want, leading to potential health issues. Let's move on to more reasons why, as a woman, you might want to reconsider your dairy intake. Ladies, have you ever experienced discomfort or health issues and wondered if dairy could be the culprit? It's a question worth exploring. Dairy products, whether high or low fat, while often touted as beneficial, can have surprising effects on women's health. Let's start with breast lumps and fibroids. These are conditions that can cause discomfort, pain, and other health complications. And guess what? Dairy consumption has been linked to both. Research shows that the hormones and growth factors in cow's milk can potentially trigger the growth of lumps and fibroids in women. It's like adding fuel to a fire that doesn't need to be there. The impact of dairy on health is significant, but there's more you need to know. Ready for a challenge that could change your life? Let's introduce you to the 21 Days Raw Challenge. This is a journey to wellness that dares you to take dairy off your plate for 3 weeks. The challenge is designed to provide you with an accountability and support system to help you kickstart your wellness journey. Imagine, in just 3 weeks, you could potentially see progress and results for yourself. You'll be surprised at the power of small, consistent changes. And if you're worried about going it alone, don't be. You can also get yourself a copy of the 21 Days Raw Planner to guide you through the challenge when you're ready to start. And for those who are yearning for a year-long journey towards wealth, that's wellness, health, and wealth, we invite you to join the Raw Fam membership on Patreon. There, you'll learn not only what to eat, but also how to grow and prepare your own food at home, among many other holistic health strategies. With support, you can make significant changes to your health. Are you ready? So, are you prepared to rethink dairy? We've journeyed together through the facts, the science, and the impacts of dairy on our bodies. We've discovered that cow's milk is essentially baby calf growth fluid, designed to rapidly increase a calf's weight. It's loaded with hormones, lipids, proteins, sodium, and growth factors that aren't meant for our systems. For women in particular, the consumption of dairy can stimulate tissues and potentially lead to health concerns like breast lumps and fibroids. So, are you ready to take that next step? Join the Raw Fam, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more empowering health insights. Until next time, Raw love, my radicals.